Sa pagharap ni Presidential Anti-Organized Commission o PAOCC spokesperson Dr. Winston Casio sa pagdinig ng Senado kaugnay sa mga iligal na POGO ngayong araw, June 26, ibinahagi nito na may 14 na persons of interest sa silang natukoy na may kinalaman sa iligal na mega POGO hub sa Porac, Pampanga. Isa na raw dito ang Chinese national na babae na nasa kote sa Davao Airport nitong June 23 na palabas sana ng bansa. Ayon kay Casio, ang nahuling Chinese national daw ay ang manager ng Lucky South 99. Dinala na raw ito kasama ang kanyang asawa sa Maynila at nasa pasilidad ng Bureau of Immigration sa Bikutan. Hawak na rin daw ng PAOCC ang 13 iba pa na kinilala ng mga witness na tumatayo ring complainant.
Ms. Xiang Ji is also known as Boss Jinga. She is the female manager that handles most of the sexual trafficking and the labor trafficking operations of Lucky South 99. Together with her husband, alias Jake, we were able to intercept them, and thank you to BI for their prompt response. We have in our custody 13 of those persons of interest, ma'am, and they have been identified by our witnesses complainant.